How they do skydiving in Grand Bend is a little bit different because it's not necessarily a tandem that they do. So what they do is it's more of a assisted solo. They try to compensate for as many mistakes that you could possibly make when exiting the plane. So you're not actually attached to anybody. They just hold onto your leg and you have to kind of shuffle out onto the plane wing, and you're standing on the landing gear, and then you give them a series of very specific movements to let them know that you're about to jump. And then you just fling yourself off the plane, and then they just hold on to you. They free fall with you, and then they pull your chute, and then the rest of the time you're just on your own. Because it's so loud up there, they can't really communicate with you using their voice, so what they have to do is they use hand signals. The 2 fingers out is to stretch my legs out more, which is the most common mistake that people make. When you're free falling, you're supposed to just stick your pelvis out, and then you have your limbs out. When you're climbing onto the plane wing itself, what you're supposed to do is you have to stay low because there's a lot of wind coming at you and there's a big risk of you getting blown off. So when you stay lower, there's less of a surface area on your chest, which means that there's less force pushing you off. When you ultimately are ready to jump and you give the signal to jump, you kick yourself off, and once you jump off of the plane itself, you want to be as vertical as you can. You want to basically be standing. You don't want to just try to dive into a horizontal position because it's going to automatically bring you into that position if you just stand. You're basically just exiting and just standing, and you push your pelvis out and then you're good to go.